It's your boy PEUC here again. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Alright, we're going to get down and dirty with it. So, as you are looking at your screen right now, it is not a typo. It is not anything. Okay, alright. Stimulus checks could be coming to your account tonight. Alright. Steve Mnuchin, the homie over at the Treasury Department, said that the Federal Reserve is going to start pushing out payments ASAP. That means as soon as they can hit the button, press the button, send it to the banks will start processing checks, and people might start getting their $600 tonight. And then the way as it goes through there, then people will get their paper checks starting as early as next week. All right, let's read them. Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin tweeted Tuesday evening, the department has delivered a payment file to the Federal Reserve for American Economic Impact Relief Payment, aka stimulus payments. His tweet continued, these payments may begin to arrive in some accounts by direct deposit as early as tonight and continue through next week. I don't know if they're doing it through the same criteria as last time. Some of the same criteria last time was alphabetical order. That didn't really pan out, so I don't know how they're doing it. Only thing I do know is direct deposit, paper checks, debit cards. That's the order. But it's going to be a lot more streamlined than last time. Let's go down and see what else they got to say. Americans who have their direct deposit set up through the Internal Revenue Service could be receiving their stimulus payment as early as to this night. Again, the checks start rolling out tonight. Paper checks begin to be mailed Wednesday. Oh, I'm sorry. They are going to do it simultaneously. The paper checks will start being mailed Wednesday, according to another press release from the Treasury Department. Mnuchin also tweeted that you can check your payment status later this week through irs.gov get my payment. Do not check that right now. The site has crashed because everybody's checking it. If you look down in the description, you will see a link to try this. I'll say check back tomorrow about noon because again the site has currently crashed. However, not everybody qualifies for the payment. Alright, here we get into the good and bad news. The new standard stimulus payments for individuals who have earned up to $75K in 2019 or 2018 if you didn't file in 2019, and $1,200 for couples filing jointly who've made up to $150,000. This is less than, again, the $1,200 payments last time and the $24 for couples. It also provides $600 per child under 18. So if you have an adult dependent that's 18 plus, whether it's a college age kid or a grandparent you take care of your parents, you don't get anything from them. The size of the benefit will be reduced for those earning enough. All right, I went through all of this in an earlier video. If you make more than the two caps, 75 and 150K for single and couple respectively, they start taking $5 off for every $100 income you make until it caps out at at 87,000 and 174,000 couples. There's also no cap for your under 17 children. So if you got 10 kids that are all under 17, you get $600 for each of them. Case in point example, 2 adults, 2 kids, $2,400. And that's about it. It's just a quick update. Stimulus checks, to recap, stimulus checks are going out as early as tonight. Paper checks start getting printed Wednesday. So everybody should be getting their money quick, fast, and in a hurry. All right, that's all I got. Again, if you like the information, please like and subscribe, share it to people. Let's get this information out to the people so people can get ready to spend this money, pay their bills, do whatever they're going to do with it, and they know it's coming. So, like and subscribe. I'm PEUC. Wash your hands, wear a mask, and I love you. Peace out.